I ate an apple.
I ate an apple.
She saw an elephant.
She saw an elephant.
He has an idea.
He has an idea.
I bought an umbrella.
I bought an umbrella.
She is an artist.
She is an artist.
I saw an owl.
I saw an owl.
He is an engineer.
He is an engineer.
I have an orange.
I have an orange.
She ate an ice cream.
She ate an ice cream. He found an old book.
He found an old book. I saw an ant.
I saw an ant.
She bought an apron.
She bought an apron.
He has an uncle.
He has an uncle.
I need an envelope.
I need an envelope.
She saw an eagle.
She saw an eagle.
He is an actor.
He is an actor.
I heard an alarm.
I heard an alarm.
She found an island.
She found an island.
He has an injury.
He has an injury.
I saw an insect.
I saw an insect.
She bought an onion.
She bought an onion.
He is an honest man.
He is an honest man.
I need an answer.
I need an answer.
He saw an ambulance.
He saw an ambulance.
She has an idea.
She has an idea.
I read an article.
I read an article.
She met an author.
She met an author.